YouTube recently decided to hop on the trend of short-form vertical video and launch their new feature, YouTube Shorts. No, not those kind of shorts, like just short videos. These YouTube Shorts are vertical videos less than 1 minute long, and they show up in the new Short shelf on the YouTube mobile app. They do also show up as regular videos in a few places on the desktop version of YouTube as well, but there's no Short shelf on desktop as of right now. Like every new social media feature, these Shorts sparked a few questions in the minds of creators. First, is this one of those trends that will actually be worth jumping on, or is it going to be another feature that slowly fades away? Secondly, will it help grow my channel if I add this to my repertoire? And thirdly, if you are willing to try it, should you create on a new dedicated channel just for Shorts, or should you put your Shorts right on your main channel? The worry was that if you put your Shorts on the main channel, you might alienate your core audience if they don't like that type of content. And if it does bring in a new audience, if they don't like the normal longer content, will it potentially hurt your channel the way that it was normally going? So being the incredibly generous and selfless person I am, I decided to run a test on my channel to see if adding YouTube Shorts would totally f it up. And hopefully this will give you some insight if you've been considering it too. So here's what I did. In addition to my one longer video per week, I came up with the idea to do a quick and simple tip for beginner to intermediate camera users, and I called it Dunna Did It Quick Tips. I wanted to create something that was still on brand and would still connect with my current viewers to try to mitigate any friction from the new format. But when it came to actually crunching the numbers and figuring out whether this test was going to totally mess things up for me, I needed some help from someone who was a higher level nerd wizard than I am. I recently stumbled on a video where James Archer put his experience in design and marketing to practice breaking down the best length of video for YouTube in 2021, and I thought, this is the perfect person to run this test. So I gave James access to my analytics, posted some Shorts, and let him do his thing. So secure the cup, let's see how things went with James, and I'll pop back in later.
All right, Dunna, I finally got a chance to get into your Shorts and had a good look around, and it was very interesting. Using the data from YouTube Studio, I compiled 2 sets of numbers. One set is for the period where you started testing the new YouTube Shorts features, running 4 Shorts and 4 regular videos during a 28-day period. The second is the average of the 3 28-day periods prior to that, which will serve as our baseline for what's normal for your channel before you started posting YouTube Shorts videos. So here's a quick summary of what we found during the test. I'll start with the good news. It looks like you didn't screw anything up too badly by introducing Shorts on your main channel. Views were generally up from an average of 307,000 per period to 382,000 per period, although I suspect that's mostly due to simply posting more videos than usual. You posted an average of 4.5 videos per 28-day period previously, but then you posted 8 videos during the test period, 4 regular videos and 4 Shorts. Similarly, your watch time went up from an average of 20,000 hours to 26,000 hours, probably also because of the increased content push. Now the big question, do you lose subscribers by putting Shorts directly on your main channel? In a typical 28-day period, you gain a little over 3,100 subscribers and lose 750. During the test period, you gained 4,367 subscribers and lost 818. That's about 40% more subscribers than usual, but with a 10% increase in lost subscribers as well. Overall, most other numbers were a bit higher as well. Revenue was up 10%, impressions up 17%, unique viewers up 20%, likes up 53%, and comments up 77% compared to the average of the last 3 periods. And that all sounds great, right? Well, maybe not. Keep watching. For a more direct comparison, let's analyze the difference between the 4 regular videos and the 4 Shorts videos you posted during the test period. The regular videos accounted for 72% of your views during that period. So even though you did 4 of each, the regular videos got a lot more views. And the regular videos accounted for 97% of your watch time, which is understandable. You had 57 minutes of content in your 4 regular videos, but only 2.7 minutes of content in your Shorts videos. 72% of new subscribers during the test period were from your regular videos, but only 56% of your subscribers lost were from your regular videos. 68% of your impressions were for your regular videos, so those were shown to a lot more people than your Shorts videos were. And your regular videos got a much higher click-through rate, 4.1% over the 2.6% click-through rate for your Shorts videos. Your regular videos got a lot more unique viewers as well, almost 50,000 unique viewers to almost 20,000 for the Shorts videos. And of course, one of the most important numbers is revenue. Your overall revenue for the regular videos you posted was a lot higher, coming in at $479.91 for the 4 regular videos compared to a mere $30.55 for the 4 shorts videos. So this is pretty conclusive proof that regular videos are way better than shorts videos, right? Well, maybe not. Keep watching. Here's the thing, shorts videos are a lot easier to produce. To get these results, you had to publish 56.78 minutes of content in your 4 regular videos, or an average of 14 minutes and 11 seconds each, but just 2.73 minutes of content in your shorts videos, which averaged about 41 seconds in length each. That's a huge difference in the amount of work that you put in. You probably don't track your hours worked on each video in detail, but we can use the length of the video as an approximate proxy for the amount of effort you put in. Let's call that unit of work minutes of content created, or MOC. So let's see how your videos performed per MOC, or in other words, based on the amount of work you put into them. This is where things start to get really interesting. For every minute of content you produced for your regular videos during the test period, you got 1,128 views, gained 6.8 subscribers, and made $8.45. Now let's compare that to how the shorts videos performed per minute of content created. For every minute of shorts content you published, you got 8 times as many views, 8 times as many subscribers, and 6 times as many comments as you did from each minute created of your regular videos. And importantly, you generated more revenue per minute with your shorts videos than you did with your regular videos. Your shorts made $11.18 per minute of content created instead of $8.45. So that pretty much seals the deal, right? Shorts are obviously performing better than regular videos. Well, maybe not. Keep watching. For one thing, when we break everything down into MOCs, one of the biggest differences between shorts and regular videos is the number of people who unsubscribe from your channel. Each minute of shorts content you create results in 16 times as many people unsubscribing than each minute of regular content you create. Where each MOC of regular videos results in 13 times more subscribers than unsubscribers, each MOC of shorts videos results in only 6 times more subscribers than unsubscribers. Now, you're still getting more subscribers per minute of content created with shorts than with regular videos, but that ratio worries me. There's something there. And here's what your traffic sources look like. For regular videos, browse is your #1 traffic source by far, followed by external links, YouTube search, and suggested videos. For shorts, however, the shorts feed appears to be the primary traffic driver, accounting for 40% of all traffic to those videos. That's a lot of eggs in one basket. If the algorithm decides to show you to viewers in the shorts feed, that's great, but if it doesn't, you're just not going to get the kind of views you're used to getting with your regular videos because there's almost no support in the other traffic sources. There's some definite risk there. Also, the audience for the shorts videos seems to be significantly younger than the audience for your regular videos. Your 25 to 34 range is about steady, but you have significant drops in your audience above that age range and a major increase in the 18 to 24 range, as well as the introduction of viewers in the 13 to 17 range. These age ranges are also interesting when you compare them to the average percentage viewed of your videos. For your regular videos, there's a pretty standard pattern of viewers watching about 32 to 34% of each video, regardless of age. And that number is understandable given the length of the videos, which average just over 14 minutes each. However, your shorts videos have a much more distinctive age-related pattern, with 18 to 24s watching 69% of your shorts videos, which should be noted are only 41 seconds long on average. And your largest age group, the 24 to 34s, making it on average just 18 seconds into these videos. The 35 to 44s last about 7 seconds, and so on. When you struggle to break the halfway point on a 41-second video, there's potentially an issue there. When you factor in subscription status, there were some interesting patterns there as well. Subscribers accounted for just 29.2% of your regular views, but 44.7% of your shorts views, which could point to a struggle for shorts to get a broader audience that's not already subscribed to your channel. On your regular videos, most of your likes come from subscribers and your dislikes from non-subscribers, which makes sense. However, on your shorts videos, most of your likes come from your subscribers, but so do most of your dislikes, which points to the possibility that you're alienating your core audience with this different style of video that you've introduced. In terms of devices, not surprisingly, the shorts videos lean very heavily toward mobile devices, which account for 76% of your views compared to 48% of your regular video views. Your shorts videos actually had the lowest average view duration on mobile phones, while computer, tablet, TV, and game console all landed in the 34 to 39 second range. Mobile devices were only 29 seconds. That means the core audience for shorts is actually sticking around the least, which is kind of rough. In terms of geography, it was also worth noting that 13.8% of your Shorts traffic came from India, making it your second largest market, probably because that's a test market where they're beta testing the Shorts functionality before rolling it all out to other markets. So what does this all mean? Well, the first thing we wanted to figure out was whether you were significantly damaging your channel somehow by introducing Shorts, and the good news appears to be that nothing catastrophic seems to have happened yet. It also appears that Shorts might be a viable way to supplement your channel's growth by adding revenue, views, and subscribers without a huge investment of additional effort in terms of minutes of content created. If you can whip out some Shorts here and there, it seems to get at least some positive results. However, there are downsides and risks, including some latent discontent among your existing audience who seem to be exhibiting some annoyance with this different type of content. It also comes with a shift toward younger viewers, mostly on mobile devices, who are barely watching half of these already short videos. In the long run, injecting a lot of these people into your audience could have a detrimental effect on your regular videos, which they're likely to engage with less than your current audience does, making your numbers go down overall. And of course, all of this comes with the usual disclaimer that it's based on a relatively small sample size. We might come to different conclusions in a few months if we go back and perform a similar analysis. Anyway, thanks for letting me spend some time in your Shorts, Dunna. It was very enlightening in there.
Wow. Okay, that was a lot to take in. Huge thanks to James for taking such a deep dive into my Shorts and for being so thorough while he was in there. Now, a couple of things that I personally noticed as I watched this whole test go by. The Shorts didn't behave that much differently than regular videos for me. I had one of the 4 Shorts that YouTube deemed worthy to push harder and got significantly more views. The majority of those views on that video coming from being served on the Short shelf itself. So no surprise there that having your Shorts served on the Short shelf is going to be a huge part of their potential success. As far as whether it screwed up my channel, I'd say no. Having watched my channel's ups and downs over the past 4 years, this was not really anything out of the ordinary. And I do think that as long as you can find a good idea for your short, something that's complementary to your main content, it's worth posting on your main channel to try and widen your audience and use more channel reach. However, if you want to use shorts to do something completely different to your normal content, you might still want to consider that second channel. But as always, I want to know your thoughts. How do you feel about YouTube Shorts, and are you going to be using them? Leave a comment down below, and on your way down there, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on future reviews and tutorials. Huge thank you to James. Make sure to go check out his channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Well, maybe not. Keep watching.